All right, so we're back again with another one of our pre-cut kits. This time it's for the Mustang. Today we're going to be doing the driver's side front fender. This kit does include wrapped edges, so you will have a couple edges on the kit that you need to wrap around towards the end of the install with a heat gun and vinyl wrapping glove or a squeegee. So right now we're going to go ahead and spray down our fender with slip solution. So once you've done so, go ahead and make sure your film is rolled up. I always work from the front to the back, so I rolled from here to the front, so we can go ahead and back roll this. Go ahead and peel up your film. So we're going to lay this on the front of our fender, and we're going to start peeling back some of our film little by little. Make sure that sets. If you're having trouble with it sticking, what you can also do is spray some Tack solution at the front. And then once you lay your film, it'll set at the front, allowing you to back roll the film. So now we can go ahead and back roll our film just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and line up our edges, and we're gonna spray some slip solution under the film. Make sure our film doesn't tack. So our film is now moving freely, which is what we want. So we're gonna go ahead and tack on the front. We have that front edge lined up. Squeegee out your Tack solution. Line up the bottom. Just like that. All right, so now we're gonna focus on our wrapped edges and make sure everything lines up. So if you notice here, we have an extended edge here, and it runs all across the top and finishes about 6 inches to the front. Same thing with the bottom. You've got little V cutouts. That's your extended edge. That's gonna wrap under the fender. Same thing for the sides as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start lining up our other side. Squeegee with the body line. Lock down that whole top edge, just like that. Work our way to the bottom now. Lift up your bottom, spray the film, spray the fender. Hold it in place for a couple seconds. That. So for these deep edges in the fender, we're gonna spray our Tack solution in there. Flush out all of our slip solution that's stuck in there. We're gonna squeegee with our hand and follow with the squeegee. Just like that. Squeegee and hold it for a couple seconds, just like that. Now we can pick this top edge back up. We're gonna stretch our film maybe a 1/4 inch, so we line up our wrapped edge. Go ahead and spray some slip solution on the top, and then in this middle, we're gonna spray our Tack, just like that. Now we're gonna follow it with the squeegee. Go ahead and squeegee all that out as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and squeegee out the fender where the flare is. So squeegee with the body line. Flush out all of our slip solution and work our way from the top of the body line to the bottom. Make sure we're locking that wrapped edge down, just like that. Now we get to work on the top. Go ahead and fold your top edge. Be generous with the tack solution. So now we're gonna go ahead and lock down this body line once again. Now we're just rolling over the edges. And then we're gonna roll over the top. Lock all that down. So at this point, we're pretty much done with our wet install of the pre-cut kit. What's left is letting these dry out a bit. If you don't own a heat gun, what you can also do is use your tack solution. So we're gonna go ahead and spray the entire wrap edge with our tack solution. You wanna be generous with this part. And what we're gonna do is roll over with our hands and lock that down. Hold it for a couple seconds. Lock all that film down. If it's not sticking, just spray more tack solution. You can also take a squeegee, roll it over, and hold that down. Now just apply this process to the entire wrapped edge on the bottom of your fender where the wheel liner is until it sticks. Then as for those with the heat gun, we're gonna go ahead and let the edges dry out a bit, and then we'll go ahead and attack all the wrap edges with our heat glove and our squeegee and the heat gun. But for now, you're pretty much done with the wet install for your pre-cut kit on the Mustang driver's side fender. All right, so our edges are pretty much dry now. We're ready to start sealing our edges so we don't get any dirt or moisture on all of our wrapped edges on the kit. Most of your wrap edges will be on the high impact areas, so like your wheel liner, where the fender and the hood meet, and the inside of where your door and your fender meet. So we're gonna go ahead and start heating these up with our heat gun on the highest setting. Constant movement 3 to 4 inches away from the film so we don't burn it. So now with our hands, we're going to roll over just like that, sealing this whole edge. So this is a non-wrapped edge, and this is what a wrapped edge should look like. So we'll go ahead and go work our way all the way around, wrapping this film under the fender. Just like that. So we've went ahead and done this side. Now we can work our way over to this side. So we're gonna roll over and get that film sealed. Make sure nothing gets in that adhesive. So now we'll go ahead and take our heat gun and just follow the edges one more time. Make sure we seal them so we can get that adhesive to set. You can also grab a vinyl wrapping card and roll that over your edge. Hold it for a couple seconds and go across the entire wrapped edge from the kit. So your wrapped edge should look something like this. This is a wrapped edge that needs to get folded over and sealed. Once you've done that to all of your wrapped edges on the kit, you're pretty much complete with the entire install. What I like to do at the end of my install is go over and make sure you've got all of your excess moisture out, all of your wrapped edges are sealed, because if you don't have any, if you do have wrapped edges that are not sealed and exposed with the adhesive, you can get dirt or contamination under, causing you to redo the entire install, or some trimming that shouldn't be necessary. But yeah, at this point you're pretty much complete with the entire install of your Mustang fender.